Looking to upgrade your factory sway bar end links? These are the Perrin Polyurethane rear end links. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Perrin rear end link specific for the 08 Plus WRX and STI as well as FRS BRZ GT86 platform. Got the box right here, and as you can see, of course, we have everything you're going to need to install it, and then the end links themselves. Now, of course, these are the polyurethane end links. They also offer full spherical, so these are going to be more useful for pretty much everybody. Unless you are building like a track-only car, I would highly recommend going with polyurethane bushings as opposed to a bearing, just to help reduce noise, harshness, and vibration. Plus, these should last significantly longer, and they don't require any maintenance, which is nice. So, this is the end link in question. Now, of course, you've got the beautiful Perrin logo on there. I really like the black color, just kind of very stock-ish looking. Lightweight, but incredibly heavy duty, and includes some nice hard durometer polyurethane bushings on the top and bottom. Now, these are a direct replacement for your factory end links, which mean even if you have a factory sway bar, full factory suspension, you can take off your factory end links, throw these ones on, and everything's gonna be fine. So the benefit of these is the strength, right? So anytime you're upgrading the suspension, go stickier tires, a bigger sway bar, your factory end links really start to become a weak link. They're just a small diameter small diameter tube that connects the suspension to the sway bar, and they have potential to bend, which is never ideal, especially if you're out at a track day, cruising the canyon, or just daily driving the car. A bent end link can severely impair the handling of the car. So going with a nice set of aftermarket end links is always a good idea. Now, it does come with, like I said, everything you're going to need to install, including the bolts, the spacers, and even some lube and instructions on how to install that. But honestly, this is a pretty easy installation through and through. It shouldn't take you longer than about 30 minutes to remove the factory end links, put these in their place, get everything bolted down and torqued to spec. But you should notice not much of a gain in handling, but these should have a more direct response from the sway bar, because those factory bushings the factory end links can flex a little bit. They're known to kind of deflect. But these should offer almost a solid connection from the sway bar to the suspension, and should make that sway bar, no matter what sway bar it is, react much quicker and be much more responsive overall, which can just lead to higher confidence, better handling, more predictability out of the car. So these are awesome little pieces. Check them out. That's all the time I've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. See you guys next time.